Look at that strawberry. That is huge. About ready to go outside and give the chickens some of the strawberries that I've eaten. I saved a little bit so they could have some. Put my hat on, coat, and my boots. And of course, the strawberries I will be giving them. We should be coming anytime. Apparently they weren't hungry at the moment, so they didn't eat any yet. They might though, later. I remembered I forgot to bring in the bowl. It's cold. Now my hands are cold. So I don't know if the chickens actually ate it yet. I'm gonna go see. I'm gonna go see. Is this creepy? Yeah. On our way to see. Looks like they didn't eat it. Strawberry. There's a strawberry over there. Sounds like somebody's around. That mountain used to be very tall. It's melted down. Yep. So it looks like they didn't eat it yet. Hello. Look at all that ice. A little slippery over here, not as bad, but look over there. A lot of ice near the car. Well, Jeep. He's playing with the bone. Where am I? Oh, that was just Dakota. Millie. Here you are. Sit. Stay. Here it is. Oh, it's slobbery. Emma made a mess. A yarn. She does this anytime you leave out yarn. Hooked around the chair. Look at that mess. Looking out another window. Some of our snow has been melting. As you can see there, you can start seeing some green. Oh well, it's fun to plan. Look at the pretty flowers. Oh, pretty. Look at those flowers. They're really growing. Look outside the window. on, Emma. You know you want to play. Emma! Come on, Emma. You know you want to play. Okay. Oh, Emma, you don't want to play? It's a surprise! Hi, Emma! Are you a sleepy girl? Look at you! Hi, Emma! Aww. Oh, sorry, did I scare you? Want to say hi? Oh, look at you! You like to lick my hand, don't you? Oh, look at you, Snippy. Oh, little Emma. Let's say hello to everybody. Say hi. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Oh, you're still in the camera. Hi, Maria. How are you doing? Oh, bunny nose, so cute. Bunny nose, say hi. Look at that little bunny nose. Oh, so cute. Is that your buddy in the back? Hey, Tabia. Oh, Maria, you're so cute. I'm zooming in. I'm zooming in. She's thirsty. Tabia. They're American Dutch bunnies. Maria and her friend, who's probably her sister, Tabia. Well, who is her sister? There's a ladybug on the window, right there. She or he is on the other side of this glass.